I've never used this before. Like, it's giving UK makeup. I think I just went a little too overboard. It was literally white. It's just giving sunburn. Ah, it's not giving like strawberry. Whew, okay. Okay, this is looking cute so far. I want boba. God! Hey guys, I'm eating lunch right now. I just made an avocado and an egg because we don't have bread and we ran out of tomatoes. So this is what I have to eat today. But anyway, it's Saturday. Sorry, I'm just really hungry right now. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah. We're gonna do our makeup today. We're gonna try strawberry makeup because I've been seeing that trending like all over my TikTok, and it's like there's a lot of controversial opinions about it. Either people love it or they hate it, and they're like, why is everything being called something these days? Like I saw someone like say that there's something called blueberry milk nail or whatever. Just light blue nails. And apparently strawberry makeup's a thing. So we're gonna do it today. And I'm kind of excited. I'm home alone again. I feel like every time I make these videos, I'm home alone. But let me finish my lunch and then we can get on to do the makeup. Okay. We're at my makeup table again. Okay, so a little bit of backstory. I saw this strawberry makeup video from Hailey Bieber on her TikTok, and it's very interesting. So I'm just gonna watch it again to make sure I get all of the steps correctly because she does like the whole tutorial on there. This video Okay, I think I got it down. Let me go get the supplies. Got my makeup, and then I also got this Freck pen, which is for the freckles. And I brought over 2 blushes. So this is a NARS liquid blush in Orgasm. I've never used this before, but it's this cute hot pinky color, and then I'm gonna mix this with the Rare Beauty one, I think. Ooh, I don't know. This is the Rare Beauty one. But anyway, let's just get started on the face. So she starts off by brushing her brows up. Let me go get my brow thingy. Okay, I have my Glossier Boy Brow, I believe it's called. This is so old. I remember getting this in like, I don't even know, like 5 years ago. But yeah, let's brush up the brows. I don't know if this is doing anything. I feel like it's doing something, I don't know. Let's fill them in. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my Morphe micro brow. It feels so weird to do my brows first because I literally always do my concealer first and then my brows are usually after. Okay, that looks all right. Oh my god, I look so weird with just my brows and like the rest of my face is not done, so I look like crazy. I see a few stray hairs, so I'm just gonna pop them out. Y'all always ask me for a makeup tutorial, but like half the time I have no idea what I'm doing and my makeup looks different every single time I do it. Okay, I think that's okay. Let's just go with that and we can touch it up later as we go. All right, the next thing I need to do, what does she do? Let's do some concealer and some foundation. My earring is itchy. Ow. It's like itchy and painful. Moving on. Fenty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. I love using my fingers for everything. I'm so gassy today. I don't know why.
Oh my god.
When I was plucking out my eyebrow hairs, I didn't take them off my face, so now they're like on my face. Do you see that? Okay, we're gonna try to do this in a very light layer because I think the idea of strawberry makeup is supposed to be very light and look natural, but I want to cover up all my redness and stuff just so we have like a clean slate to work off of. Okay, we finished with the foundation. Now we're gonna go in with my concealer. It's the Morphe Hide and Peak Concealer in Sand. Let's put her here. Guys, Guys, why is this looking like heavier? Like it's giving UK makeup and not natural strawberry girl makeup. Okay. Hopefully the bronzer will help fix this. Oh my god. I think I just went a little too overboard. Yeah. Like why does my face look gray and like pink up here? I'm confused. Let's do the cream bronzer. Bronzer. Oh my god. This heat is really getting to me. Okay, Fenty Match Sticks in Mocha. I always have to remember to blend it into my hairline because one time I was doing my makeup and I forgot to do that, and like it was literally white here and then like my contour was right next to it and it just looked like embarrassing. Okay, she's cute. Bronzer, okay. All right, she's blended out. See, Fenty always gets me good with the matchsticks. Like they work for a reason, and like I don't know why I try to use any. I just dug my nail into it. Anyway, I don't know why I use any other. Oh my god. Ah! Look. It's literally so tragic. Anyway, let me put my hair out of the way because why do I always forget to do this? I'm so forgetful. All right, moving on. I think we do the blush. So Haley used two blushes, a darker blush and a lighter blush. The blushes look like this. So one of them is darker and one of them is like a neon pink. The neon pink, I can definitely use this NARS Orgasm blush. That's accurate, right? But the dark one, I don't know if I should use this Rare Beauty one. The color is more like cherry pink. And like this is not cherry pink either.
Okay, I have these two Urban Decay Hydromaniac Blush Glow Hydrator blushes.
They look very similar to the ones she's using, so let me swatch them. These are so bright. Oh my god. Look how bright those are. Oh my god, the pigment! What? Guys, I don't know what to do. None of these shades look accurate to what she has on her arm. Maybe this one, but it's a little bit bright, but let's just go with this one. Let me get a napkin because this is not okay. So she put this one here and this one here. Let's blend them out. Okay, that's pretty. It just looks like a mess on my face, but let's just go with it. Do the other side. It's just giving like sunburn. I'm gonna go in with my Rare Beauty because this never seems to fail me. Oh, it's not giving like strawberry. I need to go for like a more brighter pink, so I'm gonna layer my Sephora blush on top. Where is it? Hello, where are you? Okay, this is my Sephora blush. It's discontinued. I don't know where to get it, so I hope I don't run out of this ever. The blush is very strong in this look right now. I'm going a little crazy with it. Guys, I'm editing a video right now and like, why is my makeup so like, I need to blend my makeup better because what is this? I literally have no words. Am I going out in public like this? Like, ugh. Okay, let's contour my nose a little bit, give it a little bit of a boop, boop, boop vibe. Okay, she also puts bronzer on her eyelids, so we're gonna do that with this. Okay, I'm also gonna set it with some eyeshadow because I don't want it to be like creasing and stuff. I'm just gonna ignore how I look right now and hopefully it'll all come together in the end. Cool, eyelids are done. She likes to go in with her freckles. So this is from Freck. It's basically like a freckle pen. Let's just add some freckles on my face. I haven't done this in so long. Cute. This is so adorable. I love this. You guys see this? This looks so cute. Whew, okay, and then let's go in with a little bit of bronzer over it just so I can like blend it out. It also give that like sun-kissed look because it's like you've been out in the sun all day picking strawberries in the strawberry fields and now your face is a little tan. So let's use this. Add a little bit of bronzy in this area here. Okay, this is looking cute so far. Let me add a little bit of a translucent powder just to make my face look less greasy. I'm gonna use this Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder. Okay, next thing that she does is she goes in with a liner and she just does like a small wing. Okay, liner is done. Super cute. So let's do our mascara. I can't believe we're almost done with this look. It's a pretty easy, simple look. I want boba, guys. I want like a strawberry boba. That just sounds so good right now. Idole mascara, the best mascara in the entire world. You guys already know that. Mine's literally drying out, but I need to go get a new one. Guys, my lashes have been growing so long because of the lash serum that I've been using. Oh my god, it's from Borboleta. I've been using it for like almost a year now, and I'm just so surprised at the results. Okay, we're gonna do a gel liner under here. I hate this gel liner though. It's from Milani. It's really bad. It literally transfers all the time. Ooh, okay. The next thing, I think I want to put a little bit of a highlight. Haley doesn't put a highlight, but I feel like this look warrants a highlight. This look is so cute. I wouldn't call it strawberry makeup, but like it's still so cute. So the last thing that she does is she puts the blush on her lips, and I'm just gonna use the two that I mixed together and put that on my lips. Okay, I'm gonna mix these two and then put this on my lips. Okay, still way too bright for me. This is cute. I love this look. Strawberry or not, it is really cute. So this is the final result. Super cute. It's very like dewy and like strawberry vibes, I guess. But yeah, I really like it. I love the colors, love the freckles, love the blush. Super cute. And I think I did a pretty good job. Adorable. Let me bring you to the light so you can see. Is this not so cute? I also think like it doesn't look as natural because of my black hair. It like brings out my features a little bit more. But regardless, I think it looks so cute and so summer vibes. Very strawberry-y. And yeah, so cute. Wow. Okay, I can't stop looking at myself. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tag me in your strawberry makeup because I want to see. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, as always. Also, new posting schedule. Every single Saturday morning, 9 a.m. PST, I will be uploading a new YouTube video. So be here Saturday morning, 8:59 a.m. So then you can get here, refresh the page at 9 a.m. and watch my video. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, thank you so much. Anyway, bye. I'll see you guys in the next video, and hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye!